channel Online Tutorial by Vishali. So today I am here with the second video of fluid dynamics. Okay, we will be discussing the chapter number 1, kinematics, equation of continuity. So in my video number 1, I have discussed with you few definitions like Lagrangian method, Eulerian method, then viscosity, then flux, then hydrodynamics and so on. So let's start with the video number 2. Okay. If you feel the videos are helpful for you, so please subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your classmates, surely. Okay. So let's start with the second topic. This is local and individual time rate of change. Okay. This question usually comes that define local and individual time rate of change. Now let's start from here. Consider a fluid motion associated with a scalar point function phi, which is the function of r comma t. Okay, this is the scalar point function. Okay, and here we are studying for the fluid motion, the motion of the fluid with respect of time. Keeping the point pr fixed, the change in phi is, if I'll say it's a parallel pipe, the particle is moving like this. Okay, if I'll take a point p, okay, keeping the point p r fixed, the change in phi, if I'll take the point p, if it is fixed point, what is the change in scalar point function phi? Okay, so what will be the change? That means if the change in function is, that means the change in the time. Okay, if phi r comma t plus delta t minus phi r comma t, that means it is the initial function and it is the final value of the function. And its rate of change is always, you know, it's divided by del t. So limit del t tends to 0, phi r comma t plus delta t minus phi r comma t. It can be written as del phi by del t. So this is the rate of change. Okay. Now since PR is fixed, that means the position is fixed, so del phi by del t is also called as total time rate of change. Okay, if the position is fixed, so then del phi by del t is called as local time rate of change. Now keeping the particle fixed, change in phi is phi r plus del r comma t plus delta t. That means now position is also changing with respect of time. So the rate of change will become phi r plus del r comma t plus delta t minus phi r t upon del t. I hope this is clear to you. So this is called as d phi by dt when position and time both is changing. So this is called as individual time rate of change. When only time is changing, position is fixed. So it is called as local time rate of change. Now since phi can be represented as phi r comma t, if the fluid is moving from this A point, from this A direction to B direction, if I'll show you like this, A direction and B direction, okay, then if I'll take any point to P, so if it is three-dimensional body, then what will be its coordinate? X, Y, Z and time t. I hope it is clear to you. Similarly, they have shown here. Now, can we write it like this? D phi is equals to del phi by del x dx plus del phi by del y dy plus del phi by del z dz plus del phi by del t dt. Now if I'll divide throughout by dt, what it will become? Del phi by del x dx by dt, then dy by dt, dz by dt, dt will be cancelled, d phi by dt. Okay. Now can I write this like this? D phi by dt is del phi by del t. I'll just take it at the first position. Okay, then I can write it like this. I'll show you. Del phi by del x, I'll just multiply I. Okay, I del phi by del x, then dx by dt is what? Dx by dt is u, dy by dt is v, and dz by dt is W. What is this? If I'll say the fluid is moving, then it has some velocity. And velocity is shown by the Q. Now, if I'll take the components of velocity, then it can be represented as Q is equals to Ui plus Vj plus Wk. Okay, Ui plus Vj plus Wk. So, what is this? These are the components of velocity. This is with respect of the x coordinate, with respect of y coordinate, with respect of z coordinate. Okay, so can I write U as dx by dt is u, okay, or you can write it like this, x dot dy by by dt, or we can write it like this, v is equals to y dot. I hope this is clear to you. Similarly, I can write dz by dt is equals to uvw, it is equals to z dot. I hope this is clear to you. The same they have written. They have splitted the terms and they have used this velocity factor and they have written as uvw. And I hope you know that I dot I is 1. I dot j is 0. That means the dot products of same coordinates is 1, okay, and for ij and ik is 0. Similarly, j dot j is 1. Similarly, for k dot k is 1. The remaining k dot I, k dot j is 0. J dot I, j dot k is 0. Okay, so I can write it like this: del by del x I, then del by del y j, del by del z k, and I'll take 5 common, and this is u v w, so ui plus vj plus wk. So now it is del phi by del t plus, what is this? This is this is delta, I can say this is delta, and phi is here, and this is what? This is velocity q. This just now I told you, this is velocity q. So now I can write it like this: d phi by dt can be written as del phi by del t plus q dot delta phi. This is what? This is relation, okay? This is the relation between the two time rates. That means local time rate and the individual time rate. Okay, student, if this definition is clear to you, and if you like these videos and if you want more such videos, then you comment me below. Please subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your classmates. Thank you. Till then, goodbye and take care. And welcome to my